MPH provides contract staffing services in the nuclear power generation sector. We also provide executive search services for few critical roles as well as senior level roles. We do provide payrolling outsourcing services as well. Because we are in touch with most of our customers during the early conception stage of the project, the challenges that the global nuclear industry faces are also applicable to us. And these challenges could be in the form of course, safety-related challenges, could be related to environmental, geographical, could be political, or sometimes even could be related to funding of the project. And while the project is being executed, the challenges are different. It could be related to identifying certain candidates with certain kind of skills. It could become challenging only because of the fact that such kind of skills are not widely available in the global nuclear candidate pool. To give you an example, qualified and certified simulator instructors are pretty hard to come by. Also, it could be finding a profile with extensive experience in NSSS, or it could be identifying candidate with specific regulatory related skills, or it could be as simple as finding a profile with extensive experience in design related to, let's say, a certain type of well. So the challenges are plenty. It's just that they are different when it comes to different stages of the project. A nuclear staffing company having a nuclear engineering firm as a mother company, it doesn't get better than this. And we are immensely proud of our nuclear DNA. We also take great interest in the welfare of our consultants. We do understand that our consultants are humans who come from literally different parts of the world, and paying attention to detail is the key. We learn and we grow with our consultants every day. We come with decades of experience in the nuclear sector. But in the end, it all boils down to carefully listening to our customers and giving them exactly what they want. We strongly believe in this, and it works. We have a fantastic resourcing team that is located in multiple countries, and our resourcing team are being trained intensively to keep upbeat with the ever-evolving nuclear sector. So basically, in the end, we want to give our candidates, consultants, and our customers a great experience that they are going to remember forever.